Many people say the best free skin of this season of Call of Duty is Alias, Tactical Drift. Well, not anymore. So I am gonna show you how to get Reaper, Grinder for free in Call of Duty Mobile. Not sure if it works on all versions of COD. Load into the game obviously, then find the Sales tab. Then go to the Festive Hype Sleigh. This is the Festive Hype Sleigh. You can get Reaper, the Grinder, in the Festive Zone, which is available on January 3rd to 4th. And that is how to get Reaper, the Grinder and Spectre, Bones for free in Call of Duty Mobile. Merry late Christmas, Happy New Year, and great meme reset to y'all.